start practicing and not expecting perfection, not expecting overnight change, but practically. And I love practically because it's practice, practically. It's practice. So number one is identify the lie clearly. You can't change vague shame. You want to name it, whatever that lie is. What is the the lie that's having its way under the surface? And it might be like a collection of lies, but what is the underlying specific lie? I'm not enough. I'm behind. I'm a failure. I don't belong. Nobody likes me, or I'm unlikable. I'm too much. I don't matter. If it stays vague, if it's broad and undefined, it stays powerful.